Welcome to our operating system. We'll start the new algorithm, that is in page replacement algorithm. So here we are going to study about LRU, nothing but least recently used algorithm. So this is also one of the important algorithm in the page replacement in non-contiguous allocation. So why this is more important? Because when we see last FIFO, okay, in this algorithms, first in first out algorithms and Billard's algorithms, when you increase the slot size in the memory, even though you are getting lot of page faults, to overcome all those things, we are going to use this page replacement algorithm, which is belongs to LRU. We will going to discuss now. That is okay. So here, so we have a string. We can able to see the string 701, again 203, again 042, again 303, again 120. These are not. So this is our string. Okay. So let me mark it. So this is our slots, RAM slots. So you can able to see the slot number 1. So this is the slot number 1, slot number 2, slot number 3. Okay. So what we seeing here? So what are the pages we are seeing here as a string 7012? All these are all pages. Yes or no? So in this algorithm, so according to last algorithms, what we did, we have to execute the pages like that. Here also we are going to execute the pages. So let's start this one. Okay. So first we have a page that is 7. So I wanted to execute the page number 7. So if you want to execute the page number 7, where you will want to execute directly. So you will want to execute in the CPU, but to get the CPU, CPU wants to get the page, means the CPU has to fetch the page from main memory, nothing but from the RAM. So that is the reason why we have to bring this page 7 into the main memory. So then we can execute it. So we have a page number 7. So anyway, we have 3 slots here. So that is the reason why I am going to bring the page number over here. That is 7. Okay. So first page is executed. Still we have 2 slots. Two slots are free now, right now. Okay. Still we can able to execute the 2 pages. No problem. So that is the reason why I want to bring the one more page, that is 3. So when you see this 7 number, so what happens here? So when the page is not available, you have to go back to the secondary memory. There you have to get the page. Yes or no? So that is the reason why it created a page for. Yes or not? So it created a page for. That is the reason why I want to write a F4. Okay. So that's why I'm writing F. Fine. Again, one more thing we want to say. So that is what here. So that is, you can able to see one more page. We have a page, right? One more page is there. So in this page, so we have to execute the 0 page. So that is the reason why already we executed one, that is 7. Again, I will want to execute because one more slot is free totally. That is the reason I am going to execute the 0 page over here. There is no problem. But there is a page fault over here. That is the reason why I am going to mention it. Okay. Again, I wanted to execute the page number 1. I wanted to execute page number 1. So same process we follow. 7. Again 0. Again. So which one we have to execute here? So that is 1. So that is done here. So but the one page number 1 was not available else before. That is the reason I will call it as page 1. Okay. Now it is done. So the slots are filled now. 701. The slots are filled. Now is the challenge. Which one you wanted to release from the slot? Which page you wanted to release from the slot? That is the challenge over here. So what you want to do? What you want to do? That one we will discuss now. Okay. So we wanted to execute the page number 4, page number 2 now. Okay. So in the page number 2, you can able to see. Okay. So this page I wanted to execute here in this. But even though there is a problem here, see all the pages are filled with 701, so there is no slot at all, empty slot and nothing but empty frame is not available. So that is the reason why I will going to check it very least one, you know, least used, okay, not least recently used, very least. So you can able to see here, one is right, just now we used, 0 just now we used, 7 is the least one in those pages, yes or not? So that is the reason why I am going to replace with the 7 by 2. Okay, so 0 I will keep like that only. Okay, again 1 is common. Okay, like that. So now we can able to see the challenge here, yes or not? So this is a very important task I wanted to tell you. See, very simple. So least recently used is nothing but you have to check it like this. Okay, like this you have to check it. See here, when you are executing a second page, when you are executing the page in the frame, so that time you wanted to remove one page from the full frames. So that time you have to check with the least recently used, that is you can able to see the pages here 107. So that is the reason why least recently used is, that is 7. That is the reason why I am removing 7 here. This 7 will be replaced by 2. Okay, I think you don't have notes here. So like that we have to follow the procedure. So we will go to the some more procedure. Some more, I will go to execute the more pages here. Okay. So like that. Again, this one is common here. Again, I have to execute the page number 0 here. So 0, we no need to worry about 0 because why? Because already it is available. Okay, you can able to see this in the second. Again 0 1 201, the page is already available. So when it is already available, we call it as it is a page hit. Okay, 0 again 1. Okay, so this is page hit. I will take it as h, but these things are page fault. Okay, sorry, I didn't. Okay, so this one you understood, right now. Okay, now I will go to the, I will go to execute the third page now. So third page I wanted to execute now. So already you can able to see now. So recently least used. Okay, 0 is least used, again 2 is least used, again 1 is least used. Okay, which one is the very least used? That is 1. You can able to see here 1. Yes or no? This is 1. Let me mark here. You can able to see this one. This is from here to here. If you cross from here to here, okay, so this is the one very least used. Okay, so that is the reason why what I will going to do, I will going to remove one. Okay, I will going to remove one. So 2 as it is, you keep it like that. 0 as it is. In place of 1, I will going to make it as 3. Okay, so I think you are not going to find the logo over here. Is it not? Okay, is it right? Yes or not, guys? So 203, fine. So that is the reason why it is a page fault. So the page was not available. Now I wanted to execute the 0th page. Already we have a 0 over here. You can able to see this 0 is available in the frames. That is the reason why it is a page in, right as it is. 2 again 0 again 3. Okay, so this is here page 8. That's why we are going to write here. Okay, again you check it here. Again 4. I wanted to execute the fourth page here. So yes or not, you can able to see here 203 is done. So I wanted to execute the fourth page here. So that's why I wanted to check with the least recently used. Yes or not, you can able to see here. So 0 is least, again here, again 3 also least, again 0 is there. So but which one is the least one in this? Again 2 is there. Yes, sir, you can able to see here 0, okay, 3, 0 is already available, again 2. Yes or not? You can check it once again. 203. Yes or no? Again. Yes, guys. Yeah. Correct. Yes. Okay. That is the reason. So what I will going to do in place of 2. In place of 2, what I will do? I will going to bring the 4. So you can. I want me to mark. I will going to mark. I'm going to mark here. See here. Okay, I wanted to execute the fourth page. That is the reason why what I will going to do here. See, I will going to check the least one. 0. So 0 is available, 3 is the least one, but 0 is the least one. Again, 2 is the least used. Yes or no? So that is the reason why here what I am going to write in place of 2. In place of 2, I am going to bring the page 4. Again 0. Again 2. Okay. So this is page 4. F. I will take it. Okay. Fine. Got it? I think you got it. Again, one more time we can able to check here. Yes or not? 2, I wanted to execute the 2, you have to check like this. 4, 0, yeah, you can 4, 0, 3 is there. 4, 0, 3, 3 is the least use. So that is the reason why what I am going to do, 4, again 0, again in place of 403. Yeah, okay, 403, I will mark it, no problem. It will be better for you people to understand very clearly. So that is the reason why I will want to mark. Okay, 4, 0, 3. Okay, so 3 is the least use. That is the reason why what I am going to do. So 4, 0 in place of 3, I am going to write 2. Okay, I am executing the second page here. Again, when it comes to the 3, okay, when it comes to the 3, you can able to see here. Hence before, hence before, yes sir, hence before you can able to see. So 4, 4, okay. So now I wanted to execute one. So you have to check it here very clearly. So 2, again 4, again 0. So least used is 0. That is the reason why what I will do. I am going to write 4 here. Again, least used is what is that? That is 0. So that is the reason why in place of 0, I am going to write 3. Again, 2 will be common. Okay. So now I will want to say that it is a page fault. Okay, here also you can take this one as a page. Okay, fine. Now I wanted to execute 0. So check it. 3. Okay, 2, 4. 4 is the recently used. That is the reason why in place of 4 you want to write 0. Again 3. Again 2. Again this is also page fault. Fine. Again we come back to here 3. So already the page available in the front. That is the reason why 0. Okay. Again 3. Again 2. So this is page hit. Okay, that's why I want to write H. Again come back to 1. Okay, you can able to check here. So 3, 0, again 3. Okay, so again 2. So 2 is the least one. That is the reason why what I'm going to do, I'm going to write like this: 0, 3, again 2. 2 is the least. Sorry, 2 not 2. This one. In place of 2, we have to write 1. That is the reason why least used. So here it is called as page fault. Yeah. Okay. Again, I wanted to execute 2 here. So that is the reason why you can able to see the 130 is there, 031. So you have to check the least used 1. Again 3. Again 0 is the least used one. That is the reason why in place of 0 you going to write 2. Again 3. Again 1. So here yes. So that is page fault. So I wanted to execute 0 now. So check the least used, that is 2, 1, 3. Oh, nothing but 3 is the least used one. In place of 3, you want to write 0. So yeah, other frames are going to be replaced with the same page number. Okay. So 1. So like that, you are going to do the algorithm. Okay. We are going to write the algorithm like this. Nothing but you want to calculate the algorithms like this. Again, here you can able to see this. So 7, 7, 7. Okay, 2, 2, 2. Again 2. Okay, 4, 4, 4, triple 4. Okay, triple 0, triple 2. Fine. So like this. So you can able to see this diagram very clearly. So this is how we want to calculate the LRU. Very fine thing. So again, we have to calculate one more thing, that is page hit ratio. Hit ratio. So I given the formula already. I given the formula. So here you can able to see that how many pages are hitting here. So only you can able to see only page 1, again page 2, again page 3. Only 3 pages are hitting. So here also this is also page 5. Okay, I forgotten to write that one. So that is total number of page hit ratio is 3. Again page fault ratio we have to calculate page fault ratio. ratio is equal to, so you can calculate now. So how many page faults are there? You can able to calculate here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, total 12 page faults are there. Please, those page faults are available in this. So like this, you want to calculate that. So LRU algorithm, very important one. So please, thank you.